Okay, welcome back. Task number 5. This is my evidence. I minimize it to the bottom and look at page 11 for task number 5. Presentation. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have considered layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides must be formatted to display a title and a bullet list. Create a presentation using the slides, using the file. On slide 1, enter your name after the text overview presented by. So step 25, the presentation, you first go and open up PowerPoint. And then use PowerPoint to open the file that you are using it to create your PowerPoint. You will find this in your desktop practical 2, and then you can see there is no file there, but you must change this to all files, and then all the files shows up, and then you find this TRL TRI, it's right there, open, and then automatically it creates the 8 slides. Now on slide 1, enter your name after the by here. And then step 26, master slide. Remember, after you do the master slide, you need to close it. So only master slide for step 26. So open the master slide, go to view, go to slide master, scroll all the way up and click on the top one because that's where you do all the stuff. Use a master slide to display the following feature. Automatic slide number on the top right, your name is in the number, candidate number. Make sure the slide master items appears the same position on every slide. There's no overlap on any side. Right, first you go insert and then do the header and footer. You need a slide number and the footer to display both. The footer is your name, center number, and candidate name. The slide number there, apply to all, and then the automatic slide number should be in the top right. So this is the automatic page number. Even you can decrease it to, because they're just number, it's going to be small. So you can have it small and put it up there on the top right, and you can leave your one, and then go around and check if it's, and just let me pull this one a little bit. Alright, this one, they're all good. So when my mouse is acting up, always click on the top and no overlap on any slides. That is done. Step 26. So you need to close the slide master and have a look at all so it's nicely worked. Alright, now delete the style with the title History of Triathlons and Super Print Triathlon. History of Triathlon, delete the style, the slide, just right click and delete this one, and also the super, so highlight it and select it and delete slide. Step 28, use the data in the file to create a pie chart to compare participation by age group for triathlon only. So I'll just minimize this and go partake. Find partake, open it up. You're only highlighting the data, right? See this one is a title, this one, those are titles as well, but they are part of the data, so highlight it and then bring in your pie charts. Just look like a pie charts, and These are just age less than 18. Telephone only. Alright, sorry about this. Let's retake. Let's redo step 28 again. I'll delete this one. Look, it says only the triathlon only. Only this one. So these two, you need to either delete it or hide them. Right? Hide it. And also this. Right click and hide them. So you're only left with this one, and this is the only data that you need to be using on your eye chart. Right? Label the title, step 29, label the chart with the title Triathlon Registration by Age. So we can just click there and Triathlon registration by age. And step 30, format the chart to display only percentage and age group as sector labels. So highlight this and go right click and format data labels. And percentage, does it say percentage? Yeah, only the percentage. Show the percentage and age group as the percentage, the value. Alright. Alright, press close because the percentage and the value. Alright, and then I think you just need to have this one on the outside end just to make sure that it's closed. Inside end, that will be, yeah, inside end, that's better. Alright, on step 30, do not display any legend, so I'll just delete this off and have this, but yeah, have this. And that's it. Emphasize the group with the largest percentage by pulling only this sector away from the other group. Alright, you can see that this one is a little bit bigger. Just pull it a little bit back and then you will go away from the group. So that's 31. 32. Place the charts to the left of the bullets on the slide with the market analysis. Right? So let me put this a little bit there, and then I'll copy this, minimize this, and I'll find the slides with market analysis and have it to the left side. So I'll pull this stuff to there and then paste my charts there, and make sure all the data is fully visible and no overlaps. Apply the sound file to the slide with the title Ironman Telephone so that the sound plays automatically and the sound appears. Right, so on the Ironman, right, the Ironman Telephone here, let's go for animation. Look if it can put in some sort of sound. I'll just go there and I'll insert sound here. Insert the sound from file, and then I'll go for the file on, of course, desktop, critical 2, and you find the file GS, how do you want the sound to start in the slide automatically when it come to the slide. I'll put the little sound icon there. And make sure that all the tailor is fully visible with no overlap. Evidence 9. Place in our evidence document screenshot to show that the sound is set to play automatically as the slide appears. Right, so when you should be automatic, and you see this on the top here, the play sound is automatic. So bring your snip and then snip this in. Right, so it does see the automatic sound here on the Iron Man, and place this on evidence number 9, and then save the presentation. So I'll save this into my working area, and then print the slides 1, 2, 3, 4 only as handouts with 2 slides to the page, each slide filling half the page. Alright, so to do the printing, you need pages 1 to 4. Also, okay, let me cancel this into a print preview. Right, and from here, sorry, this is my evidence file. You must it. It was this I was supposed to print. So here, go to slides 1 to 4, 1 to 4, and handouts, and number of handout is 2, while each fill half the page. And then press print. Right, and select your print and then press print, and then it will come to, make sure you go to handout and make sure you choose the slide is 1 to 4 using the dash, and you see the sign, and then press OK. That is the end of our task number 5. I have this saved. On my desktop. Right, I'll close this one down. And also my evidence is ready for print out, and that's on task number 6, and you can just print out this whole evidence.